The American Society of Travel Advisors responded to the U.S. government's advisory against cruising. This is dated March 9th, 2020. Zane Kirby, President and CEO of the American Society of Travel Advisors, ASTA, issues the following statement in response to the administration's advising U.S. citizens, particularly traveling with underlying health conditions, not to travel by cruise ship. And what jumped out at me is the fact that currently, as I read this, there are 365 cruise ships sailing just now with nearly 700,000 passengers aboard. Only 2 ships have a coronavirus problem. A targeted focus on cruising is a distraction from the real issues of community spread. And I thought this was so important for us to add here. So just to repeat, 365 cruise ships are sailing today and on any given day with a capacity of almost 700,000 passengers. And of that, only 2 have corona-related issues. Ladies and gentlemen, we need to be objective and we need to realize that this could actually be the capacity of a small island. 700,000 is not a mean number, and we have got the best crew on all our ships taking the best care of all our clients. Vacation mode is on. We are defying the odds. We need to go on vacation, guys. Let's do this.